If you want to change wallpaper on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case we can open the settings on our phone. Then in here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and choose the personalize option. Now over here in personalize, you can tap on the current wallpaper in here. And then we have a couple of options. You can, for example, choose the wallpaper from your gallery. You can go to Image Studio in order to generate a wallpaper with AI. You can also go to Dynamic to apply one of these available dynamic or interactive wallpapers. And we also have curated images where we can then go to more wallpapers in here to find a bunch of different wallpapers that you can set up on your phone. So let's wait for the menu to show up. There we go. Now in here you can choose one of these categories. So let's say I'm just gonna go to live, and as you can see here we have a bunch of different wallpapers. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one as an example. Over here we have the preview, so we can of course take a look at the lock screen and home screen. You can tap in order to edit the photo, so let's say I'm gonna go to the lock screen over here. We also have a prompt that we can adjust the position, scale, and angle of our photo, so we should be able to zoom in and zoom out, move around, and technically we should also be able to adjust the angle, but maybe not in this specific case, unfortunately. But once we set up the wallpaper, we should be able to tap on this check in the upper right corner to save it. There we go. Then we can tap on set wallpaper, although I'm gonna also tap on the home screen to see if there's anything more, but unfortunately not. So let's just set the wallpaper. You can also choose if you want to set it for lock screen or home screen or both. We're gonna tap on set. And there we go, the wallpaper should be now changed. And we can also go back in here, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.